Jesus Christ, somebody please. I have on in the background this show that's supposed to be Rick and Morty, but it's not. And I didn't even oh my god, there's a bubble in my throat. What was I saying? And I don't even like Rick and Morty to begin with. This seems a little bit better. I love this filter so fucking much. I have canker sores. I have 3 of them. 2 on the bottom lip, 1 on the top. Makes me want to be like this. This is Domaine de Cala. Domaine de Cala. Drink lemon water, baby. No, what the fuck? Acidity is the. Are you being a troll? When am I putting out new music? Soon. Don't worry about it. Very soon. Because I love you. And I love my music. No rumors about me are true. That's why they're called rumors. Ah. Ah. Take off the wig? I don't have a wig. This is a scarf. Oh no, I have to. Oh my god, you know who I look like? I look like Stefan from a Series of Unfortunate Events. Or Stefano? I'm an Italian man. I'm an Italian man. He has the same mustache. And I think he has the glasses too. Hello, my name is Stefano. Are you aware of the leaked video? Like that video? Go, yeah. I know about the video. If you guys see a leaked version of the Like That video, that isn't the complete version. The complete version is a lot different from that. But it's coming out soon. And I'm very excited. No. I'm not very drunk. I don't even think drunk people look like how I look right now. Not like physically. Well, like, I mean, my demeanor doesn't even seem drunk. At least that's what I think. Who knows? I might be drunk and not knowing it. Flamboyant. Go all the way. Stop trying to be quirky. But that's my whole brand. I'm trying to sell you something here. Jesus. Why can't I try to be quirky when truly deep down I'm not? I mean, that's how this works. You have to be relatable. I'm just sitting here eating my chicken nuggies. My chicken nuggies with my sweatpants on. Because I'm not like other girls. Listen, I'm balled up on the couch right now. No makeup. Eating my chicken nuggies and my pizza. With my cat and my sweatpants on. Because I'm not like other fucking girls. You know what I mean? I'm different. Unique. Ow, fuck. I can't smile. I ordered... Oh, shit. No, I didn't. I need to order Kanka on Amazon. Oh, this is Robot Chicken. I like that Hulu kind of just... Oh, fuck. Ow. I like that Hulu just plays random stuff. Because I like Robot Chicken. I don't like Rick and Morty, though. Let's do that. What do I think of cosplayers? I think they're pretty cool. I think they're pretty neat.
Okay, Patrick. 10 years of training has led to this. The king is watching. No pressure. And go.
Yes, me and Ashniko like to curl up on the couch together and eat chicken nuggies and pizza because we are not like other girls. We're just not like other girls. They made a toaster that's touchscreen.
Come inside. Mom, I'm practicing. It's important, sweetheart. Looking good, kiddo. Patrick, your father and I have something to tell you. Glenn.
Me and Ashniko like to sit on the couch and eat pizza with our cat and watch the Power Rangers. The old Power Rangers episodes.
Do you know how many kids actually go pro? Look at your brothers and your sister. They all have good jobs. Good jobs? Are you insane?
Because we're not like other girls. But anyway, I need to order fucking Kanka because my mouth is on fire.
And Coral is the CEO of her own shipping company. Mom, she's a goddamn fucking pirate queen. Listen, I know you love us equally, but I'm tired of being the black sheep. When I'm a knight, you're gonna realize I'm the white sheep, and they're the black sheep. Then I'm fine.
Number 1 is cool, you guys. Can we talk about that? Number 1 is cool. You know what I mean? But what's cooler than number 1? Can we name a couple things? What do you think in my comment section, in the chat right now? In the chat, I want you guys to tell me, what do you think is cooler than getting a number 1? And just personally, you, what do you like more than other people getting number 1 or you getting a number 1? The pink Power Ranger is God, but that's fine. We can argue about that later. Getting money, winning a Grammy is cooler. That's fine. Lychee martinis, that's cool. Knowing I tried my best, that's fine. Okay, what's better than 2 and 4? The Black Power Ranger is better than getting a number 1. But the pink Power Ranger is still God because it's a girl in there and she's kicking ass. Weed is better than getting a number one. I will say. I mean, not for me now. I don't smoke weed anymore, but I enjoyed it a lot. Being happy. That's a good one. I could vouch for that. Getting a number one is fucking awesome. But what I think is better than getting a number one is just making fucking music. Making fire ass music. Making music about your fucking taint and money and your life and your family and your relationships and making music. Not having kids. Who runs the paper magazine Instagram? Supporting Black lives. Being able to have a voice. Having a good life. What the fuck is my hair? Well, that's a pretty self-explanatory question. You kind of answered your own question in your question. You know what sucks is people are like, you're so weird. I love that about you. But that's like, for me, that's like, oh, fuck. Like, I start looking at myself. I'm like, is there something happening? What am I doing that's weird? Where is it? I'm scared because I don't see what the weird thing that I'm doing is. I like my double glasses too. I'm glad you like them. No, I'm not gonna ban you. Bye, love you. Ow. However, congratulations to Nicki Minaj on her number one, her second fucking number one of it, 2 number ones in 1 year. Holy shit. Fantastic fucking work. Beautiful. I'm down to just keep making music. We gotta keep making music.
Wow. Do those tulips look so far to anyone else?